Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we make starburst animation in PowerPoint. Before start lesson, we humbly request you kindly like video, subscribe channel and press bell icon button for more update. It is very easy and simple step. So let's start our today lesson. Press escape, control and new slide open, control A, remove by default text, close thumbnail, insert, draw hair circle. Hold on control and shift. Format no outline and fill with control D. Format change shape, convert it to 32 circles. Hold on yellow circle and move to center. Format change color, fill with yellow or red. I think red is better. Control A, select both, format, align center and align middle. Move to center. Animation panel, select first star circle, animation, add animation, more address, basic zoom, press OK. Animation panel, ping with previous, copy animation painter to shape. Okay. Control A, format center to line. Okay. Animation panel, duration increase 1 minute, oval delay 0.5. Okay. Background color, send object to back side, backward. And front circle fill with white color. Press F5. Okay. Gain animation panel. Press Ctrl A. Effect options. Timing until slide end. Okay. Starburst animation is complete now. F5. Today lesson is complete now. Thanks for watching. Please like video and give big thumbs up. Thanks.